What's up, guys? All right, I want to do a quick US30 breakdown going over this trade I just took. I actually closed. My take profit is here, but I closed 134 pips. For starters, before breaking down into it, make sure y'all subscribe to this so you can see more breakdowns as well as clicking in my bio to join my Discord. Now, speaking about Discord, what I actually did was I'm going to show you guys the timestamp as well. So I posted that in here. That was, if we scroll to uh, where is it? Where is it? Oh, over here, right? So I posted it. Literally, I posted the beforehand, everything that's going on, and so forth. So besides that, I want to break down exactly what I saw and go from there. Now, ideally, I was not going to take this trade. I just put a markup trade at first to see like exactly what I was looking for, mainly because it is FOMC. And I don't like to trade it beforehand. It was so early during FOMC, but like the setup actually came into play. So we're on the minute time frame. We obviously that we had market opening that had came up. Price had pushed to a resistance. Let me take this over real quick. Price to push to well, I need this. Right, seven. No, you guys can see right there, 737. So price did push to a resistance, and if we go to it, we can see 737 is right over here, right, which I was looking for price to go towards. So because of that, as I said, I wasn't going to take the trade. However, we had a controlling candle that broke out of that. So I said to myself, all right, more likely, let me just do a markup trade to see where I would take this to. I did had before this happened, I had this line over here that more likely if price did come back down and broke out of this area, then more likely I'm going to get stopped out. So that was my actual stop loss. But I said the best stop loss for this move would be right here, which would be under the actual structure. Now, when it comes to stop loss, you want to make sure you have it below structure besides anything else. Now, overall, though, the reason why I actually took this trade is because of this candle right here at 1120. Now, the main reason why you guys can see, like we have a lot of rejection off of this 15 minute. If we go to this, right, a lot of rejection from this area. However, once price came back down here, right, this right here is a reversal pattern on support, right? It became support. You guys can see rejection from over here, showing the support as well. So the main reason why I got in, we had a rejection from that support. On top of that, structure showed that it was a retest. And then on top of that, we have a candlestick in sorry, we have a controlling. We have a reversal candle in my favor to showcase that more likely price will be going up. So I took that trade. Now, what I was looking for, I wanted to see how 814 play out. Now, 814, as you guys can see, is this candle right here at 1148. It's also a controlling candle. Why? Because this is a candle that broke out of this that showed us that price is going up. Now, if we go to the 15-minute time frame and we go back to 815, let me take this over real quick and we go to 815, 815 is right here, right? So if we go to it, if price does have a break and retest, more likely we have to come and retest this area. Why? Because this is what continued to pull price down. So with this, I was saying that as long as we stay above that, I should be great. And again, it is a controlling candle. But yeah, like this happened very faster than I thought it was going to take. I thought like literally it was going to be, I was going to be here for a little minute. But anywho, so like fast forward again, the trade was like 30 minutes, but fast forward though, once price came to this area, right? So like at this point, I'm monitoring the position. Why? Because again, like what I don't want to happen, I don't want the price to come very close to my stop loss. And then from there, I'm sorry, very close to my take profit. And from there, just like reverse and goes against me. So like at this point, once price is over here, I actually stayed in the office and wanted to monitor to see how what price is doing. But I actually did close with this candle. And the reason why I closed with that candle is because again, like the highest we came to was literally about 20 pips away from my take profit. So what I didn't want to happen, because my stop loss was moved to this candle at 814. So what I didn't want to happen was I'm literally risking what? I'm risking, well, this from the whole thing was here. So I'm risking 127 pips just to catch 20 pips. It doesn't make any sense. So once this candle was pushing down and literally from there was showing that we're actually going to have a continuation, I should say, you know what, I'm just going to close the trade. I closed with literally 134 pips to the T. And again, I'm done from there. Now, if this continues going in my favor, great. If it goes down, great. It doesn't matter. Why? Because I'm already out of the market. And I think a lot of traders forget that aspect of whenever they decide to close, right? They go back and they look at the trade over and over just to like see like if it's going in their favor or not. And you don't want to do that. The reason why you don't want to do that is because no matter what happens, you have to accept what happens after the trade, right? So if I decide to close the trade, I have to accept that there is a possibility that it may hit my take profit and after I close it. I also have to accept that there's a possibility that it may hit my stop loss after I close it. So by doing that, by accepting what happens after, it gives you a better perspective of trusting your analysis, one, but also really not caring about what happens after. Because you, again, as I said, like if this goes and hit my take profit, I'm not going to be bitching about 20 pips. Even if I close right here and it hit my take profit, I'm not going to be bitching. Why? Because I decided to close that trade beforehand. Um, overall, get this FOMC today. For you guys who are watching before FOMC comes out, be mindful. We are getting a rate cut. Like we're getting that. It's more like going to be what Powell's going to say after. I am going to do a post FOMC breakdown. More likely, I'm going to be doing that because we are going to be doing live trading during FOMC when that comes out to see what happens with price. If you guys want more breakdowns like this on a daily basis, or just do live trading sessions with us, you can click the link in my bio, join my Discord at Prop Society, and I'll see you guys inside. Peace out, guys.